afternoon, YouTube. Welcome to another video. Going for a ride today, of course. Another ride video. We're going to Grande, Prairie, Alberta. We are going to get some tires put on, brake job, and new kickstand put on. I got my tires on the back like you've seen. Goats all over again. Gotta stop you guys and readjust my load here. It's jabbing me in the back. I'll show you in a bit here. Oh man. Ooh, soft dirt. We'll park over there out of the wind, guys. Oh, this is really soft. Holy smokes. This guy's sticking out too far, darn it. Okay, I think that'll be better. It's further back. It was sticking out and just jabbing me right underneath the shoulder blade. Let's carry on. We're gonna stop in a little bit at Sub-Fuel like I always do, because I'm thirsty and I got something to drink in my bag, but I don't want to take my helmet off. So let's ride, you guys. Alright, you guys, we're gonna go for another 20 minutes. I gotta stop. I gotta take this coat off and just relax for a bit. I haven't stopped all day, all afternoon. I just got off work, right? And if you guys see my video from last week, you know what I'm doing. But if not, it's in the link below, you guys. Doing some more self-promotion. Sub-Fuel Provincial Recreation Area. Looks a little stormy ahead too, eh? If you guys see my video, it was 2 weeks ago. It was pretty snowy in here. And it's still snowy. Alright. Let's have a little break, you guys. Okay. Holy smokes. Struggle to get going today. So if you guys see my last video, I'm changing my tires through a set of Dunlop Trail Max Missions bias tires. My big trip in June going to the Tuktoyaktuk on the Dempster Highway in the Yukon, and then Tuktoyaktuk's actually in the Northwest Territories. You cross the border 60 kilometers north of the Arctic Circle. There's no services or nothing up there. There's a couple places at kilometer 379, a place called Eagle Plains, and then there's Inuvik, which is at 745 or something like that kilometer. What I ended up doing is I got these bias ply tires and plug kits and all that. I had all that before, and some spoons and everything. And if I do blow out a sidewall or something, I'm bringing tubes, so I can run tubes in these tires. So anyhow, I'm going to pick up my tubes, and tomorrow morning the Pan America's got an appointment to get the tires changed, brake shoes, and a new kickstand, Jiffy stand. I went to Adventure stand with a bigger footprint, because this one sticks in the mud and it's terrible. Friday afternoon, it's the weekend. My appointment's on Saturday, of course. It's been kind of a weird week. I come home Sunday from my sister's place. I went to see my sister in Sherwood Park for Easter. And I seen that Monday there was snowfall warnings in Grand Cache. I drove home Sunday. I wasn't feeling well. Let's just say I didn't drive by too many roadside turnouts or bathrooms. Funny, yeah, funny, ha. And then I'll put a picture up, but Monday morning, you should have seen the snow on this road. I got a picture off the internet, like I wasn't on the road myself because I had my head in the toilet, but so I'm feeling better now, still a little woozy, still not, I don't know. But anyhow, we're lucky we're here, let's just say that. I'm gonna have to change this battery, use the facilities, and we'll see you guys on the road. The wind's kind of dying out and the sun come out. Good time to see you on the road. Okay, bye. Okay guys, I got my keys. I'm just checking everything. It's kind of muddy. Last time we were here, this was all snow, and I went and it's kind of muddy. Oh, my water bottle, but I'll leave that there. Put that back in there. I like my little bag, man. I really do. I bought this during the winter. Okay. Gloves are down here. All right, guys. All right.
guys, let's get to Grand Prairie. Plus 17 degrees Celsius. It's a nice day. Boop. Cackle River, she's open. Nice. Pretty nice ride. It's windy, but we're about 3/4 of the way there, guys. Gonna go into GP, get my room, Western Budget or something it's called. Get checked in, and then I think there's a restaurant walking distance, so I'm kind of hungry. It's like 5 to 6. Good luck day. Alright, first light. And it went green. Nice. I'm gonna take Resources Road, you guys. So we're in GP, you guys. We made her. It's 6:30. Hey, you guys, last video I was playing with my app, the HD app, to try to run my navigation a little bit better. And I did make some mistakes, and then I had to reset everything, and I did. And now I didn't even didn't even log into the app today, but I have integrity on all the time. And look at my map. She's working fine, and I don't have to turn my damn map on and off, and it's awesome. But it's an update too that they did last year, or last season, I mean. Good to say my tires are still there, guys. They didn't shift around at all. I didn't go very fast though, right? All sorts of bikes out, and the guy ahead of us has got a convertible Mustang. Top is down. April 25th, Northern Alberta, you guys. Awesome. Look at all the bikes in front of us, you guys. That's awesome. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, hotel's up there, and there's a restaurant right there. Look at all the bikes. Yeehaw. Okay, guys, our hotel is up there. I hope I'm going the right way. I think there's a dead end here. No, really? Oh, shit. Yeah, it's in the second building, so I gotta be on the other side. Oh, there's a road through there, I think. Go this way. Lobby. There we go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get checked in. Hi, how you doing?
Good, yes.
Hey, my name is Ben Willette. I got a reservation, room 1010.
Nice helmet.
Thank you.
You're driving a Harley?
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Nice. Address. So, oh, sorry.
This one's there too. Throw it in the dirt.
So maybe you can park your because that is a Harley.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I just parked there because I was like, I'll be out of there, and I'm gonna go into the room, and then I'm gonna go figure out what it is, and then I'll park.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Don't get lost.
Okay. Where am I? 1010 now?
Yeah.
Holy smokes! Look at this room they gave me. It's got a fireplace, a king-size bed, and look at this tub. What am I supposed to do with that? Maybe I'll go in it. And nice room, tires in the corner, eh? Okay, guys, I think I was going to jump on the bike and go down to Boston Pizza, which is a couple miles away. But there is a Humpty's restaurant, and they got good clubhouses 700 meters away. So we're just going to walk. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Okay.
windy. They say 700 meters, but it looks further than that. And they close at 8 and it's 10 after 7. I made her.
Yeah. To get my bank accounts, and I found out.
Yeah, so there were a lot of bikes out. I didn't bring my jacket. I wasn't thinking. It's kind of cool off. It's kind of cool. Brr. We don't have far to go though. Well, I haven't had a clubhouse at a Humpty's for probably 20 years, and I tell you, they're good. I head back to the room, have a shower, kind of get relaxed a bit here for a couple hours and get some sleep. Feeling all right, but I'm still blah. So there we are, guys. I made it back. Turns out that I clocked it. It's 940 some meters, just about a kilometer. I think I'm going to end the video here today, you guys. That's about it for today, guys. I really appreciate you guys coming along. That was awesome. Down there, if you're on a desktop or a laptop computer, there's a white icon down there with red letterings. It says subscribe. Click on that. I'm tired. I'm not feeling well. My daughter's texting me, or is at the door. And I'm still under the weather. I don't have much energy, and just walking that, just about a kilometer, just about took it all out of me. It was that was all the energy I had today. That's it. I'm done. But I got a nice room to relax in. I don't have to worry about it. I'm here. I got the tires. If I would have rode here tomorrow morning in the cold, that would have been, it's too early to be riding it. You know, -2, I used to do that when I was 20 years old. I'm a little older than 20 years now, and -2 chills me bones. We'll see you guys in the next video, probably tomorrow at the tire shop and riding home. And what we'll do is, once I ride the Dunlop Trail Max missions, I'm going to stop and I'm going to let you guys know what I think. First impression. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you on the next video.